Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today also we are going to discuss about Vedic Maths multiplication series. In previous videos we have seen different kind of examples where multiplier is constant, but we have seen different multiplicants like 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. So even we can derive for n digit. We can derive the pattern for how to solve n digit over 2 digit. Okay, so here we are doing some extension to that. Here now we change the multiplier as 3 digit. Okay, and the multiplicand in earlier last video the multiplicand is 3 digit, but here in this video the multiplicand is now 4 digit. So now let's learn how to do multiplication between a 4 digit by 3 digit. Okay, so before we do examples we need to understand the conventional method. So from that we need to derive the basic pattern how we need to solve this type of examples. Okay, so let's understand the basic conventional method how we will do the 4 digit by 3 digit. So here I am considering 4 values as multiplicand. So A, B, C, D times, and then we will consider x, y, z as multiplier. Okay, then we need to multiply. So when we multiply, first we will do z multiply with the multiplicand. So the values we will get az, bz, cz and dz. Okay, and next after this we need to multiply with the y. Then the values are ay, by, cy and then dy. When we multiply with the x, the values are ax, bx, cx and dx. Okay, so that's how we'll solve this kind of questions using conventional method. So after that we will do addition. Okay, so when we see carefully the last values both on left hand side and right hand side, the values are same like in our earlier videos. These we will get with the help of straight multiplication between the leftmost bits and leftmost digits and rightmost digits. Okay, and the next two values from both the ends. Okay, so these are all the values which we are deriving from the cross method. Okay, so by, ay, bx, cz and dy. Okay, so on both the sides these values we will get from our cross technique. Okay, so this also we discussed in our earlier videos. Okay, when you are dealing with the 2 digit multiplier versus some digit multiplicand. So after that the next two values are very critical. So this shows the second order cross method, second degree cross method. So this one also we discussed in the earlier video, but because of that 3 digit by 3 digit we got only 1 2 degree cross, but here we got 2 degree 2 values. Okay, 2 degree cross values, 2 degree cross values we got. So one is az, by plus cx. So if you observe carefully, you are multiplying the adjust cross. Okay, az, cx and then straight by, and then we need to add all these values. So that's how we will get the second degree cross value. So one more time, so we need to consider 6 values a, b, c, x, y, z. Then we need to multiply like crisscross and then one straight. Okay, then it becomes like az, cx and by. Okay, and similarly we have one more second degree cross which is bz, cy, dx. Okay, so this is the same technique we need to apply in the example. Okay, so till now if you didn't get anything, don't worry, but when you solve example you will get it everything. Okay, so let me take the questions. Let me solve few questions. So our first question, so I need to consider 4 digit by 3 digit. Okay, so 4 3 7 2 times multiplier must be 3 digit, right? 3 4 6. Yeah, so what we need to do, the leftmost and rightmost are very easy, just a straight multiplication. 4 3s are 12, and we need to left with the 4 values, right? 2 for the 2 degree cross and 2 for the normal cross. Okay, and then last we have 6 2s are 12. So after that we need to apply crisscross between 2 by 2, means 4 3s are 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, which is 25. And when you comes to next one, 7 2s are 7 6 are 42, 4 2s are 8. Okay, then it is 50. So we easily got that cross values. And next we need to find out second degree cross. So means between 4 3 7, 3 4 6. So 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21. So we need to add all these values. So here also we can apply our Vedic math concepts. So when you add it, you will get it 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, and then 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is 57. And next, this is second degree first value, second degree cross first value. Now let's see second degree cross second value. So for that we need to consider digits 3 7 2, 3 4 6. So if we multiply in the same manner, so 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 2 3s are 8, 7 4s are 28. 3 6 are 18, then 3 2s are 6, then 2 4s are 8. So we need to add all the above values to get our final value, which is 2. Okay, I just cross verifying all the values. Once we have done, we need to add all these values, then we will get it something around 31. Okay, after this we need to apply the balancing formula. What it is saying, so whatever the digit you have from right hand side, you need to transform to your this side. Okay, so that's how we got 54. So let me write the answer here. So first value is 12, from that we need to consider 2, then next one is carry forwarded to here. 51, again 5 is carry forward to here. Of course we are not getting any carry combination, so that's why I want to keep the beads as it is. Okay, and then my next number, so you need to add 5 here, then it becomes 62, then 2 here, 6 here, then 25 becomes 31, and add 3 here, so which is 15. So the answer is 1512712. Okay, so that's it for today's class. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment box. Okay, let me revise the concept one more time. So what we need to do, first we need to calculate the straight multiplication values as our leftmost and rightmost values. Okay, so after that we need to find out the cross values. So how you will get, so we need to use the 2 digit by 2 digit values, and then you need to do the crisscross, okay, to get the product of that value. Okay, and next we have substitution. So there you need to substitute the values to get your expression value, so which is like algebraic expression. Okay, so that's how we need to multiply the second degree cross AC, CX and BY. Okay, so do your work regularly. Whatever you have doubts, try to ask the doubts within the class only. So that's it for today's class beta. I hope you understood all the problems. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.